Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from AN606B. We are going to present our final project. Here is our member profile, Mrs. Aragani as our managing project, and our background problem. Children is actively consume popular animated character and their perspective as source character design inspiration is still really explored. Opportunity is still little research, and our solution is creating animated characters that inspired by children perspective. And also our goal project is making recognizable visual inspired from today children's media. Our project idea, the title is designing an animating science fiction character to represent imagination and emotional aspects in children understanding metaverse. The concept is designing character inspired by today's children's media and target audience is 7 years old and above. Duration is 2 minutes and 46 seconds and format is MP4. For reference, we use TV series like Amazing World of Gumball to inspire the integration of different art style and also have Buzz vs Zombie and Bugsnax. For creative concept, here our creative concept, story idea, premise, and script. And here the first character we have is Water Nomelini. Its height is 60 centimeter. It has smooth oval shape, white mood, green striped skin, and nature is aggressive. Also, it have four skill, which is strong bite, heavy slam, head loop, and detachable head. This is Waterno Melini mood board and design, and this is Waterno Melini animation production.
Okay. Next is Purple Peepers, which is based on a eggplant. Its body is smooth, it's rounded, it has a rounded shape, it has 4 legs and eyeballs, purple skin, and 2 eye stalks. Next slide, please. This is the mood board that are used for the character explorations, and these are some of the concept designs that were developed from these mood boards. Next slide, please. For this character's animations, originally there were 2 main animations that were created. One where it was on a electric pole, and the other is where it's walking, but the end product only uses one of them, which is the one on the pole.
Okay, this is my character name Ananaso Pinapelo. It has a height of 90 centimeters, yellow spiky skin, green sword-shaped leaves and tentacles, and an oval head. It has an aggressive and temperamental nature. It has a skill called Leaf Slash, where it slashes enemies with its sharp, thorny leaves. Next slide. The next slide is the mood board and design. My character was inspired by the game Plant vs. Zombie. Then I combined the concept of weapons and animals from the real world. On the right here is a character design concept that I have made before. And then I chose the pineapple one. Next slide. This is the animation process starting from sketch animation, lining, and coloring. Next slide will be presented by Zahra.
So this is my character that I create. Their name is Tilty. Tilty is 60 centimeters to plain with a lot of lip. The personality is mischievous and temperamental. Tilty has 2 abilities, Seed Footer and Flame Shot. Next. This is the mood board and concept design. They basically inspired by Plain and Zombie. Then a lot of concept design. I make have a lot trial and error. Next. This is the progress character animation. And then this is the finished animation. Next. The next is Pizan.
Next, the red onion character named Bawel or Fusi onion for short. Height 10 centimeter. Physical traits: long live with a gun on one of them. This is nature. They're fair and cheerful. This is skill 1 live shield, skill 2 tear gas, and ultimate extending live spear. Next. Next slide. This is design mode board and design character. Here in the mode board section, there are weapon references combined with the character I have created as shown in the character design. Next. This is animation production 2D character animation process and finishes animation. Next will be presented by Riandi.
Okay, I will continue the presentation. The character I created is named Timur in Mushroom, which has a maximum height of 20 centimeter, a body dominated by white and gray color, has a bell-shaped head, and has hairy features around its body. For its nature, it has outstretched and lives in groups. It has 3 skills: Bell Snap, Rapid Smell, and its ultimate Solvent Ink. Okay, next. Okay, for the board, I choose to display a reference of real mushroom, spooky reference, the watering process, and the mushroom conceptualizations. For the design, initially I made these 3 characters before moving on to Tinto Marteto character, which was then finalized. Okay, next. Okay, for the animation production, I first made an introduction movement for the little mushroom, then in its bouncing motion, then move on to the pale snap skill, clappy smell skill, and the solvent ink ultimates. Then I combine all together and finalize with cleaning and coloring. Here is the final animation before being combined into 3D environment. Okay, the next presentation will be presented by Raniya.
Okay, so this is my durian character. Its name is Durian Duts, and it has it is a round or like oval. It is a actually it's an oval shape with with spiky thorns and pale yellow eyeballs. It is aggressive and temperamental in nature, and its skills include projectiles, in which it ejects slimy yellow flesh with bad odor, and a melee skill in which it does a bowling style rolling attack when it chases after moving targets. Next. So this is the mood board in which I give the inspiration for, which serves as the inspiration for Durian Duts. It is inspired by a few pop culture and video game references such as the Gorillas, Plants vs Zombies, and Pac-Man and Sonic the Hedgehog. And the design I initially brainstormed like 4 designs, and then I proceeded with the durian design, so yeah. So this is the animation production for my character. It involves and then there's also I made all of these in directly in Blender using the grease pencil object drawing. Next.
Mute.
Okay, sorry. Ulang ya. Next is the production aspect of the 2D characters combined with the 3D environment in Blender. This process is handled by the Night team, and the 2D characters are, as shown in the pictures, they are shown to be inserted into their environments. There are also processes of picking out the correct setting and placements for them. Next is the 2D character audio. Each character was given audio effects by everyone who made their character to give them more of a lively effect in their final videos and to make them feel more real. Next slide, please. This is the poster for our project. Next slide, please. This is the links for our trailer and final video. Next slide, please. And that is the conclusion for our presentation. Thank you for your attention.